Et salut à tous, c'est Kenzo et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le 17ème épisode du Let's Play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. Bon, dans l'épisode précédent on avait braqué la banque de Saint-Denis, mais comment dire que ça s'est très mal passé. Comme vous pouvez le voir, on est sur une île, voilà, on est tout seul, on est sur une île, on est loin de l'Amérique, de nos états et tout, on est loin de Saint-Denis, on est loin des autres membres du gang, parce que dans le braquage on a dû s'échapper en bateau avec un bateau, mais ce bateau qui a malheureusement coulé à cause d'une tempête. Et donc là on se retrouve sur cette île, on a perdu tout l'argent plus qu'on s'était bien fait chier à récupérer dans la banque. Et maintenant on n'a plus rien, on a fait tout ça pour ça. Là on va essayer de survivre comme on peut sur cette île, on va voir ce qu'on peut faire. Ah tiens, il y a de la fumée.
Good. Boys.
You're alive. Are you?
No puede ser.
You're alive.
Arthur, you
Arthur.
okay?
It is a miracle. It is a goddamn miracle. Here, have something to drink. Have a drink. Somebody give him a goddamn drink. Oh, son. Son, take it easy. Oh, we got you. We got you.
So, where the hell are we?
We are on the island of Guarma. Javier asked the local. It's a old sugar plantation island. Second island east of Cuba.
Is it anywhere near Australia or Tahiti?
It's on the way, I guess.
So, what next?
I don't know. Well, next I guess we're gonna get shot.
Encadenen a estos hombres.
Gentlemen, this is quite a welcome.
Who are you?
Senor, por favor, we are no one.
What's your name?
Aiden O'Malley.
Is that so? What are you doing, Mr. O'Malley?
Surviving. We were lost at sea. In the storm.
Is that so?
No, I'm in the habit of looking like this. Is all of this really necessary?
We got enough troubles around here right now, Mr. O'Malley, without taking a chance on a bunch of vagabonds. Behave yourselves and no harm will befall you.
Vamos.
Vamos. Vámonos. Muévanse.
Super, ça commence bien.
Let's go.
Il y a qu'on arrive, on se fait enchaîner et tout.
I don't get your drift, Mr.
Levi Simon, senior overseer for Alberto Fusar. We run the third most productive sugar plantation in the Northern Caribbean. Of course, where there's money to be made, there's trouble.
What sort of trouble?
Oh, the usual sort. People wanting what ain't theirs and others telling them to take it.
I don't get you.
Labor troubles. And other thieves and pirates looking to disrupt our ways of working.
How very upsetting for you.
Not half as upsetting as it'll be for them. Mr. Fusar has a lot of very powerful friends.
I will bet that he does.
Bunch of Haitian pirates won't frighten him. They'll be strung up in the streets soon enough.
And do we seem like Haitian pirates to you, Mr. Simon?
Cabo, llévese a estos hombres a la cárcel, junto con el grupo de cucarachas de ese campesino. Cualquier tontería que hagan, dispárales a todos. Welcome to Guarma, gentlemen. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Il est en train de nous arnaquer le gars.
Yeah.
What now, Aiden? I don't know. What do you think?
I think we've got to get out of here.
Yeah, but they can't find out who we are.
Well, for now, we're stuck, Ben.
Who are these people?
Who knows?
Well, they got them chained and lashed, but they don't look too dangerous. Excuse me, sir. Who are our new friends here?
Criminales.
What crime did they commit?
Insurrección.
Insurrection. That's quite a word.
Cállate, señor Fuentes. ¡Muévanse! ¡Todos!
Bon, en tout cas, les gars, on va dire que le jeu était magnifique, mais là, sur cette île, les décors, les paysages, c'est vraiment là, là, je crois qu'on est vraiment dans la zone avec les meilleurs graphismes, la zone la plus belle du jeu, hein, et de loin. Ok, super. J'ai récupéré un revolver en plus.
Everyone okay?
Yeah.
Damn. Reinforcements.
We need to get out of here!
Now we're in trouble.
Come on, very vite, everyone, follow me! Vite, very vite! Come!
Javier!
Oh, get out of here! Get out of here, there's a lot of them!
What do you think?
We gotta move, Dutch!
Don't lose face, son! We'll find you!
Cooey! Go! Come on, Arthur! Quickly! I have some guns stashed here. Come!
Hey,
Allez. Encore il est passable 100 fois quand t'as le noyau vide.
nice island you got here.
It's not my island. Come on, follow me. Quick! What you doing here?
I have no idea. Running from somebody or something, I guess.
How went we all? Hercule Fontaine.
Dutch Vanderland. These drowned rats are Micah, Bill, and Arthur.
Okay. Well, Fusa will be desperate to find you. We must be very careful.
So, who is this Fusar?
A tyrant, driven by nothing but power and greed. Our only purpose is to work ourselves to death to make him rich.
Leon wants the people to stand up to Fusa, but most are too afraid.
And you?
I am not from here. I bring things in and off the islands behind Colonel Fusa's back. Let's rest a moment. Down there is Agua Dulce, Fusa's compound. The sugarcane these poor men kill themselves farming gets processed in that factory there.
They're little more than slaves shipped in from other islands. A group escaped yesterday into the jungle, hoping to find a way back to their homes.
Now Fusa's men are out hunting them down. That old fort? Cinco Torres. My men and I use that as a hideout when we are here. Come on. I know somewhere you men can rest.
Can we trust you?
I don't see you have any choice. I am the only one who can arrange a boat for you. But I need something in return. Help Leon with that group of escape workers and then come meet me at the fort.
If you help us get back our friend and get out of here, we will do everything we can.
Thank you.
Gracias.
If your friend is still alive, they will have him at Fusa's compound. There is a cave hidden below the cliffs. It will lead you right there.
Thank you.
The workers are somewhere in the jungle. Hopefully we can get to them before Fusa does.
Of course.
Gentlemen,
Well,
goodbye.
if this is a tropical paradise, so far it ain't up to much.
I'll go scope the entrance to that cave. Arthur,
I need to get some rest.
well, you're right. We all need to relax. What a mess. I am so sorry, boys.
Get some sleep, Dutch.
Micah, guard this spot. Bill, do some more scouting. Carefully.
Bon bah voilà, du coup on est à Guarma. Alors bon c'est bien. Il va peut-être falloir que je me... Alors la map. Bon, on a toujours une map pour venir chercher comme d'hab. Donc là il y a toutes les grosses zones en rouge, c'est les zones. Bah voilà, on est extrêmement dangereuse. Je pense qu'on va commencer par aller voir Dutch. Pour sauver Ravière. Évidemment, j'ai pas mon cheval là. Après, est-ce que l'île nécessite vraiment besoin d'un cheval? Pas. Parce que je crois pas qu'elle est si grande que ça. En tout cas, les gars, c'est magnifique. Regardez les oiseaux quoi. Les étudier. Regardez, en plus ils veulent en formation et tout, c'est incroyable. Les arbres, waouh. On fait un peu d'escalade les gars. Parfait.
Hey!
Hey. So, what's the plan?
Well, I found the cave Hercule spoke of, and also a guide. She's up ahead. I think we can trust her. Follow me. The entrance is along here. Just watch your footing.
On sera Uncharted là, des explorations.
So, what do we do when we get Javier?
Well, we're gonna get the hell out of here. And set sail for the one place ain't nobody gonna be expecting us. Get everybody together and get ourselves back on course.
Where would that be?
Place we just escaped from.
You want to go back to Saint Denis?
If it was you got left, you'd want us to go back.
I'd want it, but I wouldn't expect it.
That's the point. Ain't no one gonna expect it. We come back from the dead, gather everyone, and we leave before anyone realizes we've even resurrected.
An insect bite you or something? Cause you gone, friend.
We look like what we are. A bunch of desperados on the run. But with the women, A change of clothes? We're a choir, or a gang of pilgrims, or something.
Whatever you say. A bunch of penniless fugitives on some Caribbean dump, sneaking through caves while two of our best men got shot back home. How could I doubt you, Dutch?
You got no idea, Arthur. No idea at all. I will do whatever it takes for us to survive.
I guess that's what I'm afraid of.
Hold on.
Why?
Gloria!
Ay, estás tarde.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. Dinero, the money, the gold.
Aquí.
Dámelo.
Oh, it's genuine, you old hag.
Ay. Vamos. Vamos. Rápido.
Now that gold right there, that's the last bit of gold I have in my pocket from the bank. The rest of it is
The bottom of the sea.
exactly.
Il avait sauvé un lingot d'or, ce fou.
Y manténganse cerca.
Wow.
Qué rápido.
You know, wasn't Fusar one of the fellers Bronte pointed out to us? At the party in Saint Denis?
Yeah, you're right.
Ah ouais.
I've heard that name before. So did you deal with those workers for Hercule yet?
Not yet. I will. But you don't think he's just using us?
Almost certainly, but we don't have a lot of choice. He's the best chance we have right now of getting out of this place. Won't be long before someone figures out who we are and sends word to the U.S.
So what happened with John in that bank?
He survived. Unlike dear Hosea and Lenny. The only one they took alive. Why is that, you think?
I don't know. I was already on the roof. I didn't see it.
And Abigail, I presume she was able to slip away in time.
What are you talking about?
You know, when I look back at all the chaos of the past few weeks, the apparent superficial chaos, I begin to wonder, maybe, for somebody, this is all going exactly to plan.
Still ain't sure what you're saying,
Je sais
Dutch.
pas ce qu'il raconte le Dutch, mais.
Quite, but that many Pinkertons arriving like clockwork once again?
Puede callarse ya. Estamos cerca. The door is stopped. You'll have to lift it.
Pardon me, my queen. Arthur, come help me with this.
Just lift it.
Okay then.
Et là, c'est quoi son métier? Elle vit dans les grottes ou quoi? C'est la vieille?
Oh, that's it.
Very neutral. Aquí. Aquí arriba.
This way.
Sí. Then you pay more.
Okay,
More.
just a second.
Pay more. Pay now. Ah!
What are you doing? Jesus.
Il est fou!
Dutch. What was that?
Horrible old crone.
But you killed her.
She was gonna betray us, Arthur.
Il aurait juste pu l'assommer.
Well, I got some Spanish. She was.
You keep killing folk, Dutch.
I am just trying to make sure that some of us survive, Arthur. Now, shall we proceed?
I guess.
Ça aurait été bien de récupérer le lingot qu'il lui a donné en fait, mais bon.
Son,
Ça aurait été plutôt intelligent maintenant qu'il l'a tué.
I don't know. Of course I don't. But I made a pledge to you all. We would survive, no matter what.
So how did
Je crois qu'il y a
know
moyen de
she
retrouver
was
son
gonna
cadavre.
betray us? What'd she say?
It was in her eyes, in the way she was leading us.
But you said you knew Spanish.
I know human beings, Arthur.
Are you gonna strangle me next?
I'm doing the best I can.
But my friend! I do not understand. Who are you?
I come from Mexico. I never met those men.
Does anyone believe him? Mr. Simon doesn't believe you. Even the mule doesn't believe you. Eso no fue para tanto. Sí que deja de actuar. Sabemos que no estuvo tan fuerte.
Fue bastante duro.
No, la próxima vez será aún más duro. Bueno, ha sido un placer. Siempre me encantaron los mexicanos.
Enough of this.
Allez, on va le sauver.
This way. They're all listening to that fool. They won't notice us if we stay quiet.
Il y a un truc là.
We need to deal with them.
Père, il veut pas le ramasser.
Oh, you got some ideas. Shut up and help me kill them. So much for the count to 3. Okay. Let's hide the bodies. You grab that one. Over here.
Caché. Et bon, ils sont cachés. Et j'aimerais bien pouvoir récupérer le truc qu'il y a là. Ah tiens, morceau de pain, je récupère. Voilà. Il y a un truc là aussi. C'est quoi? Gomme à mâcher? À la gomme à mâcher à la cocaïne? Ah ouais.
Hay que tener mano dura. Necesitamos orden. La cobardía y la debilidad no ayudan a nadie.
Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il y a à l'intérieur?
Well, you know me, Arthur. We'll cause ourselves a little distraction and then poof, we will disappear. Take the other side of this door.
Ni es una civilización, un país civilizado. Me podría acostar con mujeres que usan zapatos. ¿Quieres algo de tomar? ¿Cómo sabías? Porque te conozco. Sí, escondí una botella. Voy a buscarla. Gracias.
Okay, you take the nearest one on the left. I'll deal with his friend.
Es una mierda. Es lo bajo de una civilización.
Oh, j'ai cru qu'il allait se rater Dutch. Ouais, j'ai vu qu'il avait mis du temps à le tuer.
Okay, now we need to create a diversion.
Well, what do you think? Find another old lady to strangle?
That is enough, Arthur. This is a war.
Well, if this is a war, then we need to start blowing some stuff up.
Exactly.
Got any dynamite?
Oh no, we don't need dynamite. We got a furnace. And lots of sugar.
Sugar?
Oh yeah. No problem.
Allez, vas-y.
Go close the windows and the doors. Go on, quick. There ain't enough dust. This place will go.
Oh super, c'est de l'autre côté. Quel enfer.
Okay. We are nearly there. Kindling. All right, head on out and wait for me. I'll get this going.
Vas-y. Allume. Allume Dutch, vite. Ok.
We'd better hurry. Follow me. Okay. entrance to that building when it goes up. Come on, we can hide behind that well. That place has to blow soon. Get ready to make a run for Javier.
Ah ouais.
Now, let's go.
Là, ça me tire dessus direct. Ah oui, ça, mais moi, je cours en fait.
There's more coming. I'll grab Javier. You shoot it. Thanks, Arthur. This way. Stay with me.
You okay there?
Bon, ok.
I think he's passed out, Dutch.
Come on, you goddamn animals! Okay, let's move! There'll be more on the way! Come on!
Waouh.
We gotta get the hell out of here!
Il y a beaucoup trop. Allez vite, on se cache dans les champs. Wouhou.
Get across the river! We can hold them off from there!
You okay? He's passed out. Or dead.
He'll be fine. I'll get him out of here. You stay here, take care of these fools a bit.
No problem. Go quick.
Ok, faut plus des gardes restants. On se rapproche du niveau 6 pour le sang-froid, ça c'est cool. Bon, je vais piquer un peu parce que là, je vise pas très bien. Allez vite, tire-toi.
my turn for guard duty. Evening.
Bon bah super, on a terminé la première mission. Ouais tiens, en plus ils ont refait le plein de tout ce qui était nourriture. Non, il reste plus qu'à aller voir ce point d'interrogation. Tiens, c'est juste à côté. Oh.
Shit, that don't look good. Ah, the hell was that?
Qu'est-ce que... Ok. Bon, on a été endormi.
¿Quién eres?
Oh, super.
¿Quién eres? ¿Quién eres? ¿Quién es? ¿Ah? ¿Quién es? ¿Ah? ¿Quién? Ah, tenemos un ahuevado aquí, ¿eh? Tenemos un ahuevado. Me voy a despertar, ¿ah? ¿Quién eres? ¿Quién eres? ¿Ah? ¿Ah? Por última vez, ¿eh? ¿Quién eres? Ahora sí, ¿quién eres? ¿Quién eres? ¿Ah? ¿Quién eres? ¿Ah? ¿Ah? Who are you? Who are you? ¿Ah? 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 Who are you? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm asking you. ¿Ah? 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 What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Huh? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Come on. I'm an American. My name is Leviticus Cornwall. ¿Quién es este hombre? ¿Ah? No lo había visto antes. Me estaba siguiendo en el bosque. Un tipo raro.
Dans toutes les manières possibles de m'échapper. Ok, on va se balancer. Oh! Poignet! Oh! Alors toi... C'est pour tout ce que tu m'as mis! Putain! Oh, ça fait du bien!
I don't know.
Maybe there's still time to get to the other workers.
Oh yeah, I think I hear voices coming from the other ruins down there. Let's sneak down and take a look.
Which way?
I'll show you. Baptiste, you don't look good. You should rest here.
Okay, you'll need this. Go! Go!
Allez bah, allez bah j'ai de nouvelles armes alors hein.
Stay close behind me.
Oh la carabine à répétition quoi, sérieusement.
I know a way we
Tchou.
can sneak around.
Okay.
Keep quiet and don't kill anyone. If they catch us, they'll murder the workers for sure. Quick. Hide. Over there.
Te voy a decir una cosa. Mi abuelo siempre dijo que la Guarma era la isla de la que Dios se había olvidado. Y después de estar aquí un mes, entiendo a lo que se refería.
No hay nada aquí. Hay que regresar. Tan solo 3 meses más y a casa.
Por favor.
Okay. They've moved. Come on.
On parle plus fort le mec, sérieux, ils sont partis, ils sont pas allés bien loin hein.
Follow me. Let's go. Hey, Clark, keep out of sight.
Ojalá Ángel se apure.
Ángel. Nunca hubo alguien con un nombre menos apropiado.
Diablo quedaría mejor.
Oh, pendejo.
está disfrutando mientras tortura a esos bastardos.
Se le pone tieso el petito.
2 more ahead. Take cover on the other side of this door.
¿Ratas? Criado por el mismo diablo.
Il s'y fait pourquoi il vole lui? Regardez les gars. Il est en train de voler le mec. Comment je suis pas discret, c'est abusé. J'ai couru, ça a fait du bruit, le mec s'est même pas retourné quoi.
¿Saben? Por mucho que disfruto viendo un socialista colgando, ahorcar es un trabajo tedioso, ¿ah? Toma demasiado tiempo.
Estás enfermo. Toca ver cómo sigan los prisioneros. A ver si el gringo ya abrió la boca.
Claro que abrió la boca. Siempre lo hacen.
Donc là ils vont aller voir là-bas, ils vont voir en fait qu'on est plus là, donc ouais c'est pas mal. Et que j'ai tué l'autre. C'est pour ça qu'il faudrait qu'on se dépêche un peu en fait.
Come on. Maldito bastardo.
Oh il nous a capté.
Get them down from there. Shoot the rope.
Alors j'ai tiré, personne n'est encore alerté. Ah si.
They're coming from behind us.
Bon. Qu'est-ce qui se passe mais qu'est-ce qui m'arrive? Je vois rien. Caméra elle tremble putain, c'est comme si j'avais l'effet drogué là dans le théâtre. Et lui il m'énerve. Ah mais j'arrive pas à les repousser. C'est avec cette arme de merde.
That looks like the last of them. Vengan, hermanos. Estarán bien. Este gringo valiente le salvó la vida.
Thank you, my friend. I'm Baptiste. I work with Hercule. We owe you our lives.
Yes, thank you.
My pleasure. This place makes me miss home.
Take care, my friend.
Hercule is getting a boat lined up to get you and your men out of here. Just meet him at Cinco Torres.
We'll be there.
Good, good. Here, this is for you.
Thanks.
It's not much, but it's the least we can do. Good luck getting home.
Ah mais lui il a un bras en moins ce mec, j'avais pas fait gaffe. Il a un bras en moins.
All right. Now, we did what you asked.
It's like I said. Fusar knows who you are and knows the price on your head. It's a big problem.
I see.
But if we can silence him, then I can help you escape before anyone has time to get here from America. That way, we all get what we want.
We want to get the boat you promised us.
And you will. But you have found yourself in the middle of a war, my friend. Fuso has called in the Navy from Cuba. There's
Ah
no way
ouais.
anyone would leave right now.
Hercule! Hercule, s'il vous plaît! Vite! Vite!
Come, follow me. So now we have a real problem. This must be the boat he called in from Cuba.
That's a goddamn warship. You kinda have to hand it to this feller.
Waouh.
So I guess great minds think alike.
So what now?
We fight or we won't.
Any of you boys feel like running? So what do we do?
I will go get the cannon ready.
Bon allez, j'ai le fusil rolling block et là on va se faire plaisir.
Shoot them! Fellers on the field! I see. We got more coming at us!
Let's prepare the welcoming party.
Why the hell are we doing this? This ain't our fight!
Do you want to get off this island or not?
He's you! Just shoot my gun! More coming down the left side, fellers! What? They all shooting at me! You wait! You said
Ok, ça tremble.
we need to deal with them! We're closing in on us! Right side, near the fort!
Go with your help, my friend.
Sure.
Là.
Don't let him get any closer!
Arthur, push the
Oh le canon, vite le canon. Oh oui.
Damn, this is heavy.
Il se permet le clic gauche là. Ah c'est en plus le bateau il se rapproche.
A whole lot more of them turning up!
Waouh.
Don't look good, fellers! Oh, damn it!
Ouh. Ah ouais mais là c'est...
Wait, I'll come too.
We'll guard this thing!
Pas une arme peut-être? Parce que là mon... Comment dire, c'est pas avec le rolling block que je... Ah si je vois une arme. Petit double canon.
There's a lot of guns out
Non, là,
there.
je la place du rolling block. Pas de la carabine... Oh c'est quoi, vas-y.
This is kind of fun.
Oh là. Waouh, qu'est-ce qui lui est arrivé lui? Pourquoi il est mort? C'est un collègue qui a dû faire ça.
Okay, I think we can move.
Let's go.
Oh là, vite.
Stay together and concentrate on fire.
That's how you want to do it. Come on, let's move down.
Yes, we need... The ship just hit their own men.
Very kind to you, mister.
There are boats coming from both sides.
Damn it.
Les mecs qui sautent, regardez. Là, les deux ils vont sauter. Ah non, lui il va le remplacer, faut. Et lui il saute le dernier, ok. Suivez Hercule et Dutch. Vite, vite, vite. Wow. Salut les gars.
On a des boats arriving on the right.
Oh là là.
Damn, he's getting closer.
What do we do?
Two of us must go and use the cannon.
You go, Arthur. I'll gladly hold them off this beach a while longer. You sure? Just certain, son.
Allez vite. On va utiliser du canon.
Find out.
Like how many men has Fusar got?
That's the problem.
Je sais même pas comment on va faire hein, pour tuer le foussard hein, vu le nombre de personnes qu'il a à ses ordres. Oh, en plus il nous a bloqué là.
This way. Wait, look. That one's going right for Dutch. Cross our canal. I got it. Let's go. Up here, Arthur.
Oh là là.
Merde. You make the cannon. I'll get you some more shot. Everybody, what a night. We need to put a serious hole in that boat.
Rechargez vite. Je crois que c'est bon.
Let's get down from here. Come on.
J'adore, il y a un fusil qui se balade dans les
That
airs.
was quite some shooting, boys.
Thank you.
What now?
Oh, they'll be back. But I found a boat for you. And he should be arriving on the dock anytime now.
Great. Micah, go meet with the captain. If he's amenable and discreet, tell him we'll be ready to set sail soon. Bill, come help me collect poor old Javier.
Sure.
Hercule, it was a great pleasure to make your acquaintance.
Allez, on y va. Oh, ce tir de cette île.
I thought I was dead for sure.
Hi, boys. We got a real problem. Nice Mr. Fusar don't want us going nowhere. He knows just who we are. If he can keep us here for a few more days, well...
And what about the captain of the ship here?
They got him trussed up like a hog. Guards all over the place. Got us surrounded with gun positions, so when we try to sail out, he's gonna blow holes in us.
This fella is really beginning to try my patience.
He ain't even had you tortured yet.
I like the man's style. He's thorough, nasty, and vindictive. However,
Bon, bah le but alors.
in this instance, I don't see we got any alternative, but we go and free our friendly captain and destroy the artillery.
For once, I agree with you.
Hercule?
Oh, I'll fight Alberto Fusa every day I can.
All right. Bill, you're gonna guard Javier on the ship here. Micah, Arthur, let's get to work. Hercule, we follow you.
Anale, this way.
Quick, let's get up around the back of that artillery post. There's two guards. Arthur, come on. Get your knife ready.
J'ai mon couteau, Mika, j'ai mon couteau.
You take out the first guy, and I'll get the other one, okay?
Allez.
Okay, we're clear. Let's plant the explosives. You got it secured properly, cowpoke?
I think so.
Knowing you, I have my doubts.
Shut up, Micah.
Come on, run!
Ah bah ok, c'est fini la discrétion, mais direct en fait.
Come on! There's another set of cannons up ahead.
Waouh!
Let's go push up on them. Look out! One coming down the stairs. Move forward. Head up the stairs and get the rest of them.
C'est pas mal aussi première personne. Hein.
A second for the others to catch up.
I'll get the dynamite rigged on these cannons. There'll be more coming.
We'll hold them off. Up here, Arthur. We'll have a better view. Get up here, Arthur. Look, more Fusar's men coming through the fields. Okay, come on. Let's finish them off before they get too close.
Des fois, on se croirait plus sur Red Dead là. Et dépêche par contre. Dépêche, Mika. Ouah, mais attends, il y a encore tout ça là? Et le capitaine il doit être là-haut en plus. Ah non, qu'il est juste dans la petite demeure là-bas. J'ai l'impression d'être dans Assassin's Creed 4 mais plus moderne. Bah, pas sûr. Mais... Allez, on sort le capitaine de la vite. Et merde.
I got you now, you bastard.
We are all bastards, my friend. But only one of us is some would-be emperor's whore.
We know who you are.
And nobody knows who you are. Not even your goddamn father.
You maggots are going to die.
Eventually, I'm sure we will.
Okay.
But not today, and not because of you.
The U.S. Navy is on the way.
I am sure they are. Which is why you're going to let us leave. Or you are dying right here, my friend.
We've killed better men than you fools.
Enough? Oh, I've had enough of this, Arthur. The rifle?
Sure. Are you men gonna give up? Let us leave? Or are you gonna die?
Put your guns down.
Quoi? Non les gars, c'est quoi ça? Mais non, mais... J'ai pas compris là. J'ai oublié. Oh, je peux tirer, je sais. Ah, fallait regarder le capitaine.
Put your guns down.
Here.
Waouh! Il a trop de chance ce mec. Il a réussi à escalader ça aussi vite.
You saved my life. Thank you, Captain.
I suppose you men are my cargo. Dutch Vanderlyn, I am sorry you got hurt. Captain Sam. Let's go. Gentlemen. Back to the ship. Come on. What happened to Fusar? He escaped? I didn't see him. Damn it.
J'espère qu'il va pouvoir parler aux États-Unis du coup. On est niqué. C'était pas mal de se le faire, comme ça il parlait pas et tout. Notre existence restait à Guarma. Mais bon, c'est pas grave. Hein. Je trouve le moyen de me le faire, hein, je serai avec plaisir. Bon, ça je me le fais à dynamite. Ouh. Oh, je me rapproche du niveau 8.
one on the rock.
Oh. Putain, mais ils me veulent tous mes kills, les gars, derrière.
Here, Fusa is up there.
In the tower?
Yes, yes, that's him.
Ah mais tiens, comment on se retrouve?
Out there, there's another cannon up ahead on our left. Can you get to that? I'll try.
Ok, je vais me le faire. Il est où?
Got it for you, Javier.
Captain, can you handle the ship?
I'll be fine. Come on. We'll get going with the tide before I get any more surprise interviews with local officials.
Are you gonna be okay?
We'll be like you. We'll disappear probably. Back to Haiti. Believe me, we'll be long gone by morning.
Good. Thank you. We survived.
Just about.
What now? What now? What do you mean, what now?
I mean, we're headed back to Lemoyne again, and we're all wanted men.
We slip ashore one by one, find out what's what.
We don't cut and run now? Head back to Blackwater.
No,
Why not?
because the last thing they'll be thinking is for us to turn up.
We've been on the run for a while now, and it feels like our luck has turned. You know, it ain't turning back. We had a good run of it, I guess.
We ain't even played our hand yet. We just need to put some more money in our pockets. Make our escape. Broke, alone, they're gonna pick us off one by one, and you know it. Maybe.
Not maybe.
We need to split up. Keep a low profile. Try to track down the rest. But carefully. See if they send any mail. Arthur, you check Shady Bell. We'll find each other eventually. We always do.
And then what?
Then we meet up. We gather the family, we get some money, and get the hell out of there. That's the plan.
We all acting crazy, and that's not what I thought we were gonna be doing
We have
here.
been in a bad way. Listen, I will kill for my family. Any of you want to judge me for that? That's fine, but that is who I am. Anyone disagree? Anyone?
Super, la barque elle est à moitié dans l'eau. Bon bah les gars, on va s'arrêter là pour ce 17e épisode du Let's Play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. J'espère qu'il vous aura plu et moi je vous dis à la prochaine.